My name is Peter Martin, and the title of my session is How to Set Up an Automated Email Follow-Up System in Your CRM. Today, car buyers are spending anywhere from 1 to 3 months shopping for a car, so follow-up is critical for your success. Automated follow-up gives you the ability to send out messages regardless of the time or day and for a period of time to continue to keep your dealership top of mind with the buyers. The average dealership today has anywhere from 10 to 20, maybe even 30,000 unsold prospects in their CRM. These are people that you paid for their information, you bought a lead in essence, and they did not purchase a car. The average dealership has anywhere from a 5 to a 10% closing ratio on those leads. A lot of that is due to poor follow-up. Statistics show that 41% of the people purchase a car from a dealer other than the one that lead was initially sold to. Part of the problem is, with the buying process now taking 1 to 3 months, most salespeople do not effectively follow up long enough. With consistent messaging sent out through your CRM, you have the ability to follow up with these people automatically. It's no longer dependent upon your sales team or your sales force to follow up. Because let's face it, salespeople are going to follow whatever is the hottest prospect. And a lot of these people who are maybe in the market for 90 days, they're going to ignore and they're going to fall to the wayside. With automated messaging set up in your CRM, you are going to keep your dealership top of mind with those consumers as long as possible. We recommend, and we're going to talk about this in detail in this session, about doing 2 campaigns a month to this entire database, one for service and one for sales. We include service in the new car prospecting process simply because service is a great way to get somebody in who may be not ready to buy a car or can't afford to buy a car right now, but at least you can get them as a service customer, because I believe a satisfied service customer will eventually buy a new car. The other piece that we're going to go into with this seminar is setting up targeted follow-up messaging. You don't want to just continue to send out messages. If you know somebody is interested in a new car, you want to have targeted messaging set up specifically about a new car. If they're interested in a pre-owned car, you want to have pre-owned messaging set up. We're going to talk about how to set those up. We're going to go into detail. We're going to talk about the different letter flows. We're going to show you how to set them up in your CRM. All CRMs are different. We're going to give you the basic framework to set up a program that's going to help you to do automated following up. The benefit is with marketing automation, you now can contact those customers every month on an ongoing basis until they buy, die, or unsubscribe. With marketing automation, the biggest benefit you're going to get out of the session is that you can take a salesperson and using marketing automation, turn it into a whole team of marketing professionals for you, all done behind the scenes 24/7 without human interaction. This session will help you sell more cars.